Alright, what's up y'all? It's your girl ShaySkyler and I'm back with another video. What's up if you're new to my channel, and what's up if you're returning subby? Your girl is back with another wig review. This video is brought to you by One More Hair, okay? So I'm gonna show you the wig that they sent me. A 16-inch water wave hair with a T-part. So if you don't know what a T-part is, this is kind of new old to the wig game. This is definitely beginner friendly because it's only one part, which is already pre-done and pre-plucked for you. The wig came inside this packaging and it was delivered FedEx. It took about, I want to say like 5 business days for the hair to arrive. Inside the package was the wig, and also they gave me 2 wig caps, so I collect those. So this is their 10A virgin human hair in the water wave. Water wave is a popular style. This is how it looks in its natural state. So the unit already comes pre-plucked. So it is a 13, okay? But then the parting space is a 4, but it's a T-part. So it's a 13-4, but T-part lace wig, okay? So you still got that whole game where you can, you know, have your baby hairs, because there is lace, okay, with your baby hairs there, so you can see here, but there's no space for you to part, if that makes sense. All right, into the lace itself. So the lace looks kind of sort of transparent, so it looks like I won't have to do too much to it. And usually with T-parts, you really don't have to do too much to it anyway, because the parting is already there for you, you know, to go ahead and work that thing. All right, so I am not going to pluck this. Okay, what I'm actually going to do is just put the baby hairs down, what comes with the unit, and then I'm just going to go ahead and install it. And before I do, I'm going to go ahead and get into the construction of the cap, because y'all girls be wanting to know. Okay, baby, we got 2 combs that's on the side, and then we have 1 comb that's in the back, and then we also have the things here for you to make the wig tighter or snugger. So I did do my hair in some really nice small braids, so I will tell you if this hair is big head friendly. And right now it says on the website that it's a normal head size, so we're just gonna go with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this wig. I'm gonna cut off the lace, get everything that I need to install, so y'all can see how this thing look. All right, y'all, so I just went ahead and put on the unit. This is just it on. I didn't use any glue, so this is a already 10-star because I haven't applied any glue and it's actually holding. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking my hot comb, and I'm just going to be just flattening the ends, or the tip of the lace, so I can get that to lay as flat as possible, so then I can go ahead and lay my baby hairs on. Just flatten. Now I want y'all to see the lace. So it's not glued down, and I do have like a cap, so I did my ball cap method and I just actually put that on the cap. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet the hair, because it is water wave. So this unit can be done without adding baby hairs. If you do want baby hairs, like I said, they're already pre-made. So this is how it looks. And this is the length in the back. Remember, it is 16 inches. I'm 5'5". This is a really cute unit. And you, like I said, you have lace all around the perimeter of the unit. So you can also wear it in a ponytail, and I'm going to show you how to look in a ponytail. All right, so this is how it looks in the ponytail. Okay, so it's kind of cute in the ponytail. I like it. And remember, I do not have this glued down. So, and then this is just it back into my middle part. All right, so this hair will run you $84.45, so it is under $100. And for a good T-part unit, it's fairly cheap. You can also swap it into a side part for your liking, for the girls that like side parts. So you can do a little side part thing, but I just prefer it in a middle part. It's you have limited things. A lot of people ask me, because I did review another wig that has a T-part, and they asked me, you know, can you do everything in a T-part wig that you can do in a, you know, a regular 13x4 unit where you're able to part in many areas? No, you're limited to the amount of things that you do because you cannot physically make your own part where you want to. The part is there where they have it in the unit, and then you can adjust it to your liking. But what I can say, the benefits of the T-part is that if you are a person that, you know, is used to being a beginner friendly wig, this is very important. And the series of wigs that I've been reviewing lately have been beginner friendly, easy to install, easy to apply, easy for you to put on and remove. Like I said, this is the lace for this one, so it's not glue, and it fits to my head, and it's snug, okay? And I don't even have it tight, but it's definitely snug where I'm able to, you know, maneuver it, but it's not moving. So for this is literally a throw on and go wig. Like, you just literally just, you know, throw on and go. All right, so if you have any questions about this unit, let me know in the comments below. If you like this unit, let me know as well. Make sure you thumbs up, like, subscribe, and comment. And also make sure you click that notification bell to stay updated when I post a new video. Sometimes I go like in and out because I've been doing a lot. I'm gonna have a great video for you guys coming soon, but your girl been doing so much that I've been preoccupied and just trying to make sure that I take care of my mental health, so I can give you guys great content. All right, so I appreciate you so much for tuning in. I'll put the link to this hair in the bottom in the description, and also make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at ShaySkyler, where I post pictures of the units, and I also do reviews on older units as well, just to let you know how the upkeep is on the hair and if it's really worth it. All right, thanks so much for watching, guys. I love you so much. One more hair. Y'all did this. Y'all did this. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Bye.